Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sy'Monne. I'm going to be doing my toes. I'm going to give myself a little pedicure. I'm going to be using the glue on nails by Kiss. So I'm taking the easy way out. I'm going to be showing you how you can do the same thing as well. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. All those links will be down below, and I'll see you guys in the video. I have clipped all of my toenails with that pretty sparkly clipper you see down below. I've clipped them as short as I could go, and now I'm just filing them. And yeah, I pretty much cut them as short as possible when I'm doing fake nails. So yeah, just make sure that your nails are nice and clean and dry before you start this process. And yeah, just have fun and enjoy pampering yourself. So do keep in mind that these are just glue on nails. They are temporary. What I do is I keep glue on me. I keep it pretty much on my person no matter where I go, because you never know when one might decide to pop off, because it will happen. Just keep that in mind. Just be really careful. They should last quite a while. I mean, honestly, when they pop off, I just re-glue them. Like, it's not really a big deal. It's fast, it's easy, and you can pretty much make this last probably about a week or two, honestly. So I like it a lot. I think it's really cute and really affordable. That's one of the things that I like about it, is that it's really affordable and time friendly. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope that y'all liked it. Please give a like, share, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to check out my Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. All those links will be down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.